Yo, what up, traders? Let's get into it. Red day, red day. Traded first stock I traded was WIMI, and I know this is pre-market, and these losses here will reinforce it. I promise you guys I will not trade pre-market tomorrow. I know y'all don't really care, but I promise myself I will not trade pre-market tomorrow. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not mad at my pre-market trades. I'm just kind of mad because I said I was gonna do it and I still did it. But the trades that I got in on pre-market to start here at WIMI, it's not that bad of trades. There was my plan. Like I had wanted to take these trades, so there was no FOMO, there was no revenge trading. I sat here and I was watching the stock and I was like, okay, if it bleeds out to the VWAP, on the 1 minute chart or the 3 minute, I was gonna take a trade. So I jumped in there 300 shares at $2.99, put me in 3 times, but still the same price. But just no volume. There's no real volume. It says pre-market trading, pre-market volume is different from the open. And I will take a loss. And it's just slow action. See how slow the action is right now. And just not gonna get back above 3. So I cut this one off extremely fast. Don't play with it here. I think I'm finna cut it off soon. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, man, I am done trading the pre-market. I am. Cause I took 2 trades pre-market, and that just put me at I just had to climb back from a hole, man. Like my whole mindset was coming back from a hole, and which is why you can see in my other trades why I took some bad trades. It weren't even really bad trades. It was trades that I should have took profit, but the fact that I was down, I was trying to get more. I got greedy, so these losses pre-market made me greedy. So I took it off right there. I only lost 5 cents there. It wasn't that bad of a trade. I lost 5 cents, and now I'm down $23 on the day. Really, I'm down 16 realized, but the commission made me down $23. Right. So here I'm gonna take a trade. Now this is off a support level. I was going off of this pattern here off the 1 minute. I was going off the like a little W pattern, the temp here, a little double bottom almost. So I was going off of that little pattern. Got in at 295, and it held up here for a while. It held up, and we just didn't get no rip. Just didn't get no rip. We got support at 295, and I held to the stock for a minute. I held to the stock for like I think at least about 3-minute candles, about 9-10 minutes, something like that. And just no follow through. There's no pop back up. Because really I was just trying to scalp and get a pop back above $3. But yeah, it was nothing. Look at the tape. Look at the tape. It's not moving at all. Tape was not moving. That is a bad sign. Should have took that off for some profits. So then here, see how long that it's taking to break down. So I'm thinking, okay, we're gonna get a squeeze. Now the stock isn't shortable, which is not in my favor. I wish the stock was shortable. That squeeze would have been more likely. But I thought we were gonna just get the squeeze. I took it off right there. It broke lows. I wasn't playing with it. Took it off right there. Like if you let me go back here. Like this is an indicator for me, and I saw this, but I just didn't listen to it. Look at the green minute. Look at the green candle here on the 3-minute chart. Look how low that volume is. That right there tells you that the buying pressure is done. It's dead. It's gonna crack. So when I saw that, I should be cutting it right now. I should be getting out. But I was just trying to see like, okay, I got to stop. So I got a 5-cent stop loss. Let me just wait 5 cents. So now I'm down $50 on the day. Well, I'm really down 37 realized, but $50 with the commissions. So here we got about a couple of seconds for the open. CELZ, I wish I just traded this stock all day. Even though this stock isn't a stock that I like to trade, it's not really my price range. I really like stocks $5 and up, $5 and between $5 and $12, something like that. I love trading those stocks. This stock's at $4, so it's kind of there, but actually it's not there. But like these were the stocks I traded were stocks everybody was trading today. I just couldn't get on the right move of it. I just couldn't get it right. So I jumped in there at 406. See, like if I can't buy 300 shares of a stock, I'm not going to trade it. I can only afford 200 shares because CMEG, you have to use your margin. The stock has to be $5 and up. So I can only afford 200 shares here. So I'm in at 406, looking kind of scary, but the axe isn't dropping. The bid dropped, but it came back up. So that's bullish to me. $4 stacking up there. This stock was cooperating. I'm getting a nice little pop, not that big of a pop. And then see here, I took it off right there because I was looking at the axe, and I was like, "What the hell's going on?" But if you rewind that, look at the bid. The bid was actually ripping. The axe is stuck. Look at that. The axe stuck. So I missed all that, man. Like, it threw me off. I missed all that. I missed that 30-cent rip. I missed all that right there. That would have made me green on the day, you know. But if I didn't take those 2 trades pre-market, it would have been different, man. It would have been a green day. Definitely been a green day because I probably would have just took 1 or 2 trades and been done. But I'm over trading like this, and I'm taking all these trades because I'm red, you know. And then I already proved that I can come back from a $50, $75 loss. So that's in the back of my mind too. So here I'm taking another trade here. I'm gonna get in here, nice little dip. So I saw 410 stacking up. So I jumped in there at 413, and I'm gonna get a pop, but I'm not gonna take it off for profit because, you know, I'm down $50 now. I want to, you know, get better. Like I should have took that off, even though I'm up a couple of cents, 7 cents. I should have took that off. Yeah, man, it's just bad trading on my end. I should have took that off, man. That's the bad trade I'm talking about that I don't like. My exits were not good today. So then now it's gonna go against me, and I'm gonna stop out. I hate what a stock does. I hate when a stock goes against you. Where you're up, you know, you could have took it off at the top, but you let the stock run against you. Like I hate when I let the stock run against me like that. No bounce. Look at the 1 minute, no bounce. Hold it to 4. I wish I'd have got in way down there. But 413. That's where I'm at. Yep. See, the bids tried to stack up, but I gave it up. I got tired of it. So now I'm down $41 realized, $67 net PL. DATS, another low price stock. That was a hot stock. It was a hot stock. Everybody was trading it. So you see that little, that's like a little fake washout to me. Like, this stock is a $2 stock. The candle did drop like that, but the level 2 in the axe didn't really wash out. So that's not a deep enough washout. There was an early entry here. See how here it washed out, but it didn't really wash out. It looked like it did. Like, I should be getting down lower than 40. I should have been in like 35, 36, something like that. So he's gonna get lower. Could have been like 37, something like that. But this is my strategy. I took this trade, and I'm gonna get a pop. Like, I'm going to get a pop, and guess what? I'm not gonna take it off for profit. Tomorrow I'm not doing that. Tomorrow I will be. Look, I could have got in right now. Tomorrow I will be in a scalper's mindset. I will be scalping 7 cents, 8 cents here, 10 cents, just to get some wins back. Not trying to get 20 cents, you know. Like, I'm trying to scalp this over 250. I'm trying to get like a 10-cent scalp. But if you look at the level 2, you can tell in the tape that it's not going to get there. And I gave it so many chances to break $2.50, and it never did. And that should have been my cue to get out the stock, take my profit. Like, I'm gonna count the attempts. You're gonna try to break it here, okay? So here go the attempt here. It's at 47, 48. There go one attempt. Didn't do it. Couldn't have it. There go one. There go two. 40 back on the ass. Here go another attempt. Another attempt right here. This attempt. 40 back on the ass. Failed again. So that's like, those are signs. I should have took it off for profit. You know, that I would have been chipping away. Here another attempt. 48, 49. Here go another attempt. Failed. That was 3 attempts that stock tried to break 250 and it didn't do it. I don't know why I'm sitting here bag holding this stock. Like, I don't know. It was just too early in the morning. You know, it was just too early because the stock actually does go up to like $3-4 in a day. But it was just too early right now. People taking their profits. and I had to stop out, man. Like I had to stop out. It wasn't a good trade anyway. But see here, I'm getting this trade here. This is gonna be a good entry where I should have gotten in the last entry. I'm getting a good price. VWAP down there. We got a wick on the previous candle, so I jumped in there at 238. This is a better pullback than the first one. 300 shares, 238, and this is going to be a winning trade. But yeah, man, I don't care if everybody is trading the stocks in my chat or whoever is hot, whatever. I'm not trading stocks this low in price, man. I'm just gonna have to let it go bypass me, man. I'm not trading this stock low in price like this again. Like I never trade stocks this low. I just don't do it. And I don't know why I did it here. Everybody like it was some FOMO. Like they had a good news, they had news and all that. It was FOMO. Down $70, so that's right there. I probably should have quit for the day. Here, that's why I like playing patterns, but then I don't try to focus on patterns too much. 'Cause I'm trying to play. I don't know. I guess some type of U pattern here. It's like a little U pattern I'm trying to play, but it's gonna fail. It's gonna be a failed U pattern. Like, yeah, I try to play some pattern shit here. Yeah, just the volume is looking good on it. It just everything started slowing up. I mean, at 408, it could not get above 410, 411s. Look at that. Weak. So, bad trading today. You see, I don't say my trades were that bad because I did stop out and I got out good stops. My loss is just big like this because of the commission. So, can't be mad at that. Like that's a weak close. That's a weak candle. That's a weak candle and a weak close. We got a nice volume bar, but that candle was stuffed. So that's a weak body. Like this body is bigger than that body. So it doesn't like look at the volume bar. Look at the volume bar here. Small body. So that's an indicator that it's not gonna pop. So I think I'm gonna take this off real quick too. I'm not gonna hold on to this stock either. As I say, I'm glad I stopped out fast. I am glad at that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look how slow it's moving. Everything's moving slow. See, trying to play a U pattern. But it's just so choppy. Right now it's very choppy. But CELZ went to like $5. So I will keep this stock on my watch list, especially if it's above $5 tomorrow. I will definitely be looking to play it for some continuation from today. Especially if it gaps up, keep going up like it's doing aftermarket here. So another bad setup, looking bad. Look at the 1 minute. I don't like how that candle looks. The previous one on the 1 minute, small body. And it's in the middle, doji. That means it's a doji. So there it goes. It's going against me here. I just took it off. Took it off at $4, $3.98. Lost 10 cents. Should take it off at $4, but lost 10 cents there. So I lost about $96 today. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. It's Money Games.